How to remove water stains from wood. White rings will appear when hot water, coffee, etc. gets encapsulated in the surface of polished wood. There are various methods for removing the rings. I prefer to stay clear of the iron and cotton t-shirt trick, as you can burn the wood if you overcook it. My preferred method is to use denatured alcohol, which you can find in any pharmacy. The alcohol percentage can vary from 70 to 96%. By the way, I didn't get any success using alcohol gel, which is also mentioned as a good solution to this problem. Back to using the denatured alcohol. I started off by using small amounts and rubbing lightly, which didn't seem to work too well. So I applied more alcohol to the microfiber cloth and rubbed harder. And miraculously, the white rings started to disappear. I continued for roughly 15 minutes and managed to remove the majority of the whitening. So there you have it, give it a go. But if you happen to have a Louis XV table, I would leave it to the experts. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.